Welcome to new workout, Pilates, arms and abs. And today we're gonna use really heavy dumbbell. So you can choose, so actually choose 12, which is like heavy. You can choose less, which is perfect. And you can, if you don't have a dumbbell, don't have a weight, try water bottle. Let's start. That workout I created for people who is busy, so it's only 15 minutes. We're gonna start simple. Weight will be on the side, arms will be in front of you. We're gonna round, heel over back, then your turn. So we prepare the lower back for our movement and we create abdominal engagement. Slowly feel this, exhale and inhale. Last one. So we hold it like this. Make sure your shoulders is not here. You're dropping the shoulders down. Your head is not here. Your head will be moving back slightly more so you can feel the abdominal engagement. And from this position, you're gonna go lower and slightly higher. And again, lower and slightly higher. Try to feel these abs. You in slight, it's called posterior tuck. In C-curve, you want to feel these abdominals. And it is small movement, not that big. Hold. So from here, we're gonna lift your arms up and we're gonna lower it down. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Your goal here is to warm up your abdominals and make sure you use this correctly. Exhale and inhale. Pilates is an amazing workout and we add in a lot of stuff to that as well. From fitness world to make it a little bit spicy. And last one. Okay, return. So for now, we're gonna do straight spine. So instead of doing round, we will be straight. Your arms will be here, perfectly straight spine. Make sure your head aligned with your shoulders. Imagine like someone lift you, so you're not here, lift you from your crown of your head up, okay? So your shoulders not here, your shoulders right in a joint, straight, beautiful spine, elongate from the side, lean back, and your turn. So no weight, just simple move, move back, and then your turn. Feeling your muscles of the legs working. If you feel it's too much, you can move slightly more forward, so it will be less bending. For some people, more convenient will be with the feet flat, so it will be supported, but it depends on the body links of the legs and of the spine. So just try to find where you feel comfortable and you feel abdominal engagement. And last one. Okay, now let's take a weight. Your elbows bent, but shoulders not here, shoulders right in the joint, long neck, long spine. You just hold it, that is it. You move, and then your turn. Exhale, exhale down, inhale up. Do it as slow as you can. If you're shaking, that is good. In the Pilates, the shaking doesn't mean that you're weak. The shaking means that you're using your muscles on maximum capacity, and that's what we want. We don't want you to do 100 repetition. We want you to do 10, but make it the most out of it. You're trying to use your muscles as much as you can feel in that corset of the muscles, hugging your internal organs. And last one, hold. We're gonna move to one side, center, to the other, center. Feeling this obliques. You don't want to rotate from the shoulders. A lot of people do that. They rotate from the rib cage and your return. Feeling that obliques, feeling your abdominals. Move, return. Nice work. Keep going. Now we hold on one side. We're going to do pulses on one side. 10, 9, 8. Using abdominals from here. 7. You're going from here. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the other side. Again, I'm not doing this, right? I'm going from my center and then go up, up. 9, 6 more, and 5 left, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Okay, let's return. This is a really nice weight, by the way, love it. Okay, so arm part, a little bit of the arm. We're gonna be on your knees. We're gonna hold this again. So for now, what I wanna do, let me center myself slightly more. Okay, so you're here. Your ears aligned with your shoulders. So you know the head is not here, not here. You want to do this way. Long, beautiful, straight spine, elongate from the side. Simple movement for now. You extend and you bend slow. Mistake will be if you're doing this. Don't do that. So your shoulder is supposed to be in a joint. If you overuse it, too much of the neck, you will hurt yourself. Don't do that. Make sure you're here, you accent on the bottom. Imagine you have a lemons on your armpits and you kind of squeeze in the lemons. So you want this. You just lift it, neck long, and you go. The slower you go, the harder it gets. Whenever I explain the movement, you can listen, or if you know already, maybe it will be your second time doing this workout, keep going, keep moving. Explanation only for the better form and better technique, so you can have the most out of your workout. That's what we want, right? Now let's add lift. Exhale, inhale. That is it. For now, I'm using my legs together. If it's inconvenient for you, you don't feel like it's comfortable, do it with your hip distance apart, okay? Exhale. I'm really, keep going, I'm really focusing on controlling the shoulder. That is the most important part. When you extend, you need to step. You don't want to move back or forward. You want to step it right here. When you go, this is the move. A lot of time people go like this. You want to go this way and connect. Keep going. And let's go faster now. 1, 2, 3. 6 more. 4 left. 2 more. Depending on the weight of the bell, of the dumbbell, or the weight, this will be harder or easier. You can all adjust it. That is it for now. I'm inclined forward, 45-degree angle. I'm here. I'm gonna extend and bend. You see, I have a links here, but if you don't, you can do like this. I will show you that in a moment. But for now, we're just doing a simple move. Extension and bending. Only 10 times. Then we shift. Again, I have a heavy weight. Not too heavy though, but still not easy. 9 more. 8 left. 7. 6. 5. 3. 2. Let's do last one. 1. Yay. Okay. So, we're gonna have this. Move yourself back so you're on your fours. You here. Again, not this way, right here. Straight like a table, flat like a table. 10, 9. Simple move, but heavy weight and proper form will give you great result. 2 more. Last one. Okay. Let's switch. So no hard, nothing complicated, simple move. 6 more, 5 left, 4. Last one. Perfect. Okay, so we're here. We switch again. I have a left arm and right arm here. We're gonna do plank. So this way, aligning, okay? Extend one leg, bend. So we're gonna hold. I'm gonna lift arm up lower down. If it's too much, you can do the same without holding the weight, okay? Lift and lower. Keep going. This is hard. 6. Keep going. Make sure the elbow is not like this. This is hyperextended. If you have hyperextended elbow, that will hurt your under elbow ligament. We don't want that. We want it to be straight. This is a straight, check that, okay? And meanwhile, we have like 2 more. So I hope you were doing the thing while I was talking. Okay, perfect. Now, stretch slightly. We're gonna move to the other side. Again, here, right in the shoulder joint, you wanna feel muscle across joint holding you, okay? This is not good. This, with long neck, with connected center, good. So let's do the other part. Let's see how this is going. So it's here. Again, check your elbow. You don't want your elbow to be hyperextended. Hold, not like this, not like this, perfectly straight. And we're gonna lift and lower. It's not easy, but it's so fun to do. So here I'm moving instead of talking. Hopefully you move as well. Okay, done with that. Stretch. And we continue with our abdominals with a straight spine. So you can do bend or go to the straight legs. And we're gonna use weight. So we're gonna be right here, long, beautiful, strong. You want to be here, right? You train yourself to be right here. Long, chest up, neck long, spine long. Hold. We're gonna lean back and we're gonna return. Simple, but not at all effective, really effective move. Looks again so simple, but it works like wonder. Lower yourself down, return. Now, we here, when we lift, we extend. We bend, we lower, lift, extend. Again, slow. And controlling this joints, shoulders, elbows. Beautiful, beautiful move. Strong body. And your turn. Simple but so effective workout. You can do it daily. Again, depending on the weight, you can start with smaller weight, then transition to bigger weights. 2 more. Yes, last one. That was great. Okay, so a little bit of arms. Again, and again, and again, and again. So it's the same move. Simple, but we're gonna repeat that. So simple movement. So you're here. We're gonna lean back, bend, extend, bend, extend. If you want, you can do it standing. And just keep going. And we're gonna switch. So here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So we're gonna be right here. We're gonna hold it and do both arms. You can do it on your knees or you can stand, okay? So you can do like this way, or you can add lift. When you add lift, make sure your glutes squeezed and working. You don't want to push your glutes too much forward. You want to connect with abdominals as well. Only 10 times, not a lot, but slow. 7 more. That would be the last one. The last exercise, I mean. But we have 5 left and 10 on the other side. 3 more. 2. Last rep. Beautiful work. We're here. When you do that, connect with your core. Feel abdominals, feel glutes. Glutes not now. Abdominals you start to initiate right now, but glutes when you lift. So you hold, not here, right? Shoulders connected, just lift it and go. 9 more. 7. Don't make it too fast. Make it slow and use your muscles. You don't want your joints or your soft tissue to work. You want your muscles to be working. 2 more. Last rep. Okay, great job. So that was a perfect 15 minutes that we spent together for our arms and abs. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Make sure you like the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget about that. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! If you're looking to get fitter, stronger, and happier, hit that subscribe button below and join me to a healthier you.